Bitcoin just hit a new all-time high. Crypto enthusiasts, you're going to want to hear this. Bitcoin's price has skyrocketed to a jaw-dropping $106,493. That's right, we've smashed the previous record from just a few weeks ago. So what's driving this incredible surge? Let's break it down. First up, we've got President-elect Donald Trump. His support for digital assets and the idea of a national Bitcoin stockpile are making waves. Trump's also pushing for a more crypto-friendly regulatory environment, which is a complete 180 from the Biden administration's stricter approach. Next, let's talk about MicroStrategy. This major Bitcoin holder just joined the Nasdaq 100 index. This move could lead to a flood of index fund purchases, potentially giving MicroStrategy the firepower to buy even more Bitcoin. And don't forget about the ETFs. Since Trump's election victory, US Bitcoin ETFs have seen a whopping $12.2 billion in net inflows. Ether ETFs are no slouch either, raking in $2.8 billion. This influx of investment is boosting the entire crypto market. Speaking of the market, Bitcoin's rise is lifting other cryptocurrencies too. We're seeing gains in tokens like Ether and Dogecoin. It's a good time to be in crypto. But let's temper our excitement with a bit of caution. The pace of Bitcoin's gains has cooled slightly, suggesting a potential pullback might be on the horizon. Always stay informed and make educated decisions. So, is this the beginning of a new Bitcoin bull run? Only time will tell. Make sure to subscribe for more crypto updates and stay ahead of the game. Don't miss out on the latest in the crypto world. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.